Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. In today's class, we're gonna learn how to provide the different kinds of phrases when it comes to using causes or reasons. While giving those kind of sentences, there are different kinds of phrases which can come handy if you're in need of using one. So before getting started, I would like to invite you to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, because that way I understand that actually you are watching these videos and I will be definitely motivated to produce much more content related videos. So thank you in advance and let's get started. The first thing that I would like to share with you is about this is because. Take a look at the way that we can use it in a sentence. A vast majority of people prefer cycling. This is because riding a bicycle to work is healthier than driving. So as you can see, we are giving that kind of reason for which people are more into riding a bicycle. We say, this is because. The next item that can be used in this regard is, this may be caused by. Take a look at the way that it should be used in your sentence. You say something and then when you want to give a reason, you would go for this. This may be caused by the effects of global warming. So as far as you want to just give that kind of cause or reason, you would say, this may be caused by. The next item, this can be explained by. These can be explained by the fact that movies have been considered to be fashionable and entertaining. So you're giving a reason for which why movies are more popular, for example. And the last item that we are dealing here is this. The reason for this is that. The reason for this is that happiness means different thing to different people. Beautiful sentence. And take a look, we do not use any comma after any of these phrases, especially after that, because one of the common problems that I see in your writing especially is placing that comma after that, because we've got that kind of pause while writing and while speaking and pronouncing the words, but we do not need that comma here. So we do not say the reason for this is that comma. No comma is needed, and actually you should be avoiding using that here. So I hope you like this video. If it is so, please do not forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel in order to give me that kind of encouragement that is needed to be motivated to go for producing more educational content for you guys. Thank you and see you later. Bye-bye.